Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now I'm going to sew on the spots. Again, thread your needle and knot it with a nice fat knot. You want to come from the back again and just pick any part of the circle to start with, doesn't matter, and come out about 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the edge. And we're going to make stitches that go from the inside here to the outside of the circle. And again, from the back, pull it through, and then go from the front to the back, right on the edge. From the back to the front, and from the front to the back. You want to make sure that you don't pull the thread too tight. Keep it a little bit loose, so that if you pull it too tight, you're going to get a crunched up doggy. If that happens, you can just pull those threads, take the needle and just gently loosen the threads again. It's nice to have just a loose sewing of this. This is called applique. In and out all the way around the doggy. And like on the ear, you want to be careful if you're doing this with children that they don't all of a sudden go around and end up sewing up their dog like this. If that happens, you'll have to cut it and rethread their needle and just start again. Okay. My thread is starting to get short, and it's about 5 inches long now. So what I'm going to do is, I still have quite a ways to go. I'm not going to be tempted to continue sewing and end up with too short a piece to knot. So I'm going to knot it right now. So you bring the thread to the back, and you do an end knot here. And then you'll just start with another piece of thread. Okay, there's my end knot. And I have a needle all ready to go with a knot. And then we'll continue. Okay, now we've gone all the way around our spot, and this is what it looks like in the back. We've knotted it a few times and started, which is fine. And we'll do an end knot. There's our second loop. And cut that off. Okay, and then we'll continue on and we'll sew on our other spots.